In today's video, I am going to show you how to download the older version of any application on your phone. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to download and install the older version of any application on your phone, what you need to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar, you need to type apkpure.com and click on search. Now click on the search icon at the top right corner, and in the search bar, type the name of that application of which you want to download the older version. For example, I want to download the older version of Facebook, so I'll click on it. Click on this Facebook's logo. Now scroll down and here you will see this tab that says old versions of Facebook, and from here you can easily download and install the older version of Facebook on your phone. In this way you can easily download older version of any application on your phone. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.